So today I have something that I'm going to be reviewing, and this is actually something that I've already been using for kits, especially those with a lot of one solid color in a specific area. And an example of that would be, let me just peel all of this off because I'm almost done. It really sped up the process, but this is Boo Boo. And as you can see, almost all areas are finished except for a part of her face and this part. The two clouds up here have actually been beaded already, and it's just the blue sky, but that's a lot of the same color. We're looking at the code K. So I'm going to introduce you to two things. First is this, and the second is this. Alright, so this is basically the adhesive, and then this is the wheel. So we just peel off a little bit. It's like a miniature double adhesive tape. We just peel off, right? And what you would like to do is to line it along the wheel. So just try to line it as best as possible, like so. You don't have to do it so perfect, and you can really just adjust it because, you know, it's a sticky tape, so it can move if you move the entire thing. So just keep lining it up until you reach the end. So I've reached the end where it kind of connects and joins. So now I'm gonna snip that part off. All right. So now we have the white covering the entire wheel. Now we just peel it like you would with a sticker. So let's peel this off. Okay, so now that we're peeling it off, now we've got a sticky wheel. So now this is going to be very sticky. Okay? Okay. So now we need to put some beads into our large tray. So let's move this. This is the code for K. And I'm just going to pour all of that in there. Shake it. So now we have some lines, and it's okay if you don't get them perfect in one go. You can just keep shaking it. Okay? So now that we have that, we are going to take our wheel. Okay? Take this wheel and now run it alongside the area that has the longest row of beads. So in this case, let's look for that. And let's run it across. Don't try to go around the entire wheel because it's going to be difficult to control. So this alone is going to be good enough, and it's longer than 9 beads in total. That's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So that's picking up 12 beads in one go. So let's just start here on this corner, and it's basically aligning every single bead onto the code you want it to be in. And there you have it. We've got that line done in one go. And that took me less than a minute, which normally would take me longer if I use the multiple bead tips, and especially long if I use the single bead tip. Okay, so let's try that again. Now we shake. We'll look for a section. Once again,